Hi gozaimasu. 早安你好。你好，大家我姓方，叫方诺，我从菲律宾来，我是山里的实习生。
你好，我是山里的领班，我叫雅芳，可以叫我 Vicky， 然后是方诺的小老师。
And then after we take all of the cockroaches trapped, we need to make sure that we open the lights and then the aircon. Preparing every stations, like preparing the sauce, preparing the necessary table napkins, and then preparing all of the things to make sure that when the restaurant's open, everything is perfect or everything is completely done. 这个没办法处理，这是我们的酱料。这个就好。And then the next thing that I need to do is to prepare the flowers for every table, since every table should have flowers. 全部的花我拿走了，所以每个桌子我需要放一个花。对，我给你们看。Since there's no like a lot of customers, there's no a lot of customer for today, so I think this is so guys. The next thing that we need to do is to check the reservations. Like for example, there's a reservation for this table, so we need to check if there's like a table setting prepared. So, hi vlog, welcome to my guys. 我们现在去吃饭。你好，这是我的东西。我们今天要吃饼。So this is my food. We have rice. kahit 10 minutes na. Put some detergents and some Sunrox to make sure that every tables are well cleaned and tidy. Hi. The next thing that we need to do is to prepare or to set up for the dinner. Do the table set like this. And to put the food in the chopsticks. We do it. Sorry for the video. Pauwi ka na guys. Pasama kayo sa intay.